You're listening to Health Professional Radio. My name is Wayne Bucklar, and joining me today is Dr. Abbas, who joins us as the Medical Osteopathic Director of Doctors of Osteopathy Victoria. Dr. Abbas, welcome to Health Professional Radio.
Thank you for having me.
So, Dr. Abbas, tell us a bit about Doctors of Osteo and what it is that you do and where it is that you do it.
Okay. So we're an osteopathic clinic that provides physical therapy to help treat injuries such as joint pain, back pain, and spinal pain caused by sports and workplace accidents. We use a combination of treatments such as deep tissue massage and gentle spinal adjustments, some dry needling, and exercise rehab to help our patients speed up their recovery and reduce pain.
Now, do you fit into the spectrum of things as general practitioner level or specialist level practitioners? Where do you fit into the spectrum in healthcare?
So we're kind of like in the realm of physiotherapy and exercise science.
Right. And do people need a referral to come to you?
No, not at all. They can come directly to us, or they can be referred by a GP or their sports specialist.
I see. And is there a spectrum of injuries that you exclude, or is it all osteo issues?
So pretty much we treat a range of patients, from athletes competing in ultramarathons and triathletes to CrossFitters and powerlifters to everyday people experiencing pain from joint degeneration or workplace injuries. So we're always confined to physical therapy, so physical injuries. Mm-hmm. But if we find certain conditions or cases that do require surgery or other medication, we will always refer on to our sports specialists. I refer on to Dr. Karen Holzer at Olympic Park, or back to their own GPs for further imaging and assessment.
And Dr. Abbas, about 95% of our audience are clinicians of one kind or another. Is there a message you'd like them to hear as a result of you being on the radio today?
So pretty much as an osteo clinic, we deal mostly with physical therapy. We don't treat asthmatic patients like chiropractors. We don't treat any pathology. If we do find that there's a patient that comes into our clinic, you'll be rest assured that all osteopaths are trained into identifying it and to refer on to the relevant healthcare specialists. So it could be a rheumatologist, it could be a neurologist, it could be a dermatologist or gastroenterologist. So we'll never treat anything that's not physically therapy related.
Now, in every field of endeavour there are misconceptions. What are the biggest misconceptions that you come across that, would drive you mad and keep you awake at night?
Oh, okay. So I know that some clinicians that are hearing about osteos, they kind of lump us into chiropractors and voodoo medicine. And we're definitely not voodoo at all. We use sound evidence-based physical therapy practices. And one of them that always comes up is manipulation techniques or how the general public cracking techniques. I know at my clinic, at Doctors of Osteopathy, we believe in education and communication is the key to both telling the doctors what we do, or their GPs, and the patient. We always do a thorough medical history and examination before any treatment is taking place. And we always use conservative manual therapy first to help our patients recover efficiently and safely before using any other invasive techniques. And we always try to communicate to their GPs or the treating physician that's also looking after them on what we're doing at all times, so that we can help the patient get better as a team, not as an individual. So around here with my doctors, they always refer on to their GPs or at least contact their GPs, letting them know what the treatment and what the management is. And then if they're happy with it, we continue on as a team.
It does sound like a concern that we might be able to help with getting the word out a little wider through our audience today. Dr. Abbas, it's been a pleasure having you on Health Professional Radio. Thank you for making yourself available today.
Really appreciate being on your show.
Now, for people who want more information about the osteopathy clinic, is the website the best place to go?
Yes, so www.doctorsofosteo.com.au, and you can pretty much read what osteopaths do in a list form.
And if you missed that URL, listeners, it's www.doctorsofosteo, O-S-T-E-O, all one word, doctorsofosteo.com.au. If you missed my conversation with Dr. Abbas Din today, he's the Medical Osteopathic Director of Doctors of Osteopathy Victoria. The good news is we have a transcript on our website. We also have a sound archive of the whole interview on YouTube and on SoundCloud, and you can access all of those resources through the Health Professional Radio website at www.hpr.fm. My name is Wayne Bucklar. Thank you for joining us on Health Professional Radio.